Welcome to My USA Corporation. You are in the right place to start your business in the United States. You are going to start an LLC in Wyoming as a less expensive and most business-friendly state. Here's some simple steps. Please go to My USA Corporation Europe website. Press Start an LLC button. Select from the drop-down menus Wyoming, owners are non-US persons, companies, recommended package and press Next Step button. Now you are on the pricing page. All included items is strongly recommended if you want to drive your US business with no headache. Please feel free to select or deselect any additional items like Certificate of Incumbency, also banking resolution if you are going to visit the US to open a bank account. Please select the documents delivery options. It may be electronic delivery only. You will receive all the documents as a PDFs, or if you need hard copies of the documents you may select USPS, US Mail International Delivery, or you may select FedEx or UPS delivery options. US address is mandatory to start a company in the United States, so please make sure Show Me US Business and Mailing Address option is selected. On the next page, just select My USA office address and desired location from a drop-down menu. It's recommended but not a must to have a business in the same state your company is forming. If we are incorporating in Wyoming, the best choice will be Cheyenne. But Wyoming allows to use any US address nationwide. For example, it seems address in New York is more prestigious. Please feel free to select it. The rest is as simple as 1, 2, 3, just fill the contact information and company information blocks, then go to the checkout and the payment. Thank you for your order. Now we will work on it and your company will be formed within the estimated time. For Wyoming LLC, complete company registration time is 3 business weeks. Your LLC will be formed in 1-3 business days. The rest is obtaining your new company's EIN and the rest of documents preparation, certified copy of articles of organization, operating agreement, certificate of incumbency and banking resolution if selected. Done. Now you are US business owner. We wish you a good luck with your new business. Thank you for choosing My USA Corporation for your business needs. My USA Corporation is your reliable partner since 2009.